Students, this is KUMAR Physics. Please subscribe my channel CSI Physics for Mains and NEET. Okay. Today I am going to discuss about the electric lines of force. What is meant by electric lines of force? So from this the meaning is, so you know already Q0 is called what? A test charge, positive test charge. So already you know a charge Q is called what? A charge. So this charge will produce an electric field around it. Okay. So in this electric field, how the motion of this positive test charge will be present. Okay. How the motion of this positive test charge is present, then this is called electric lines of force. So the properties of electric lines of force are, first one, all the lines of force. For example, I am taking a positive charge. From this positive charge, all the lines of force are moving away. For the negative charge, all the lines of force moving towards. Okay. If we consider two charges which are plus and minus, okay, the line of force always moves from positive to negative. Okay, this is called what? The longitudinal contraction between the positive and negative charges. There exists a longitudinal contraction. Fourth point, between a uniform field, all the lines of force are parallel to each other. Next point, the lines of force never intersect each other. That means, for example, from this Q, there are number of lines of force are moving like this, but they never intersect. Why? To find the direction of Y means, for example, I am taking like this. This is a point where the fields produced as E1 and E2. Okay. What is E1 and E2? To find the direction of E bar, draw a tangent at that point. Okay. So if you draw two tangents at this point, then at a single point, here at single point only one direction of electric field is present, but at this point there exist two electric field lines, which is impossible. Okay. So to find the direction of U bar, draw a tangent at that point. So for a curve, the direction of tangent like this. For a straight line, the direction of tangent and both same. Okay. Next, this total number of lines of force, from this you can define it as a flux. Now it is electric lines of force means electric flux represented by phi E. Phi E. That phi E is represented as, the flux is represented as E bar dot S bar or E bar dot A bar. This is the surface area. So you can write like this: EA cos theta. EA cos theta. Okay. All the number of electric lines of force always pass through the surface normally. Okay, normally. From that, the total flux, the flux EA cos theta may be positive, may be 0, may be negative. When it is positive, if cos theta is equal to 0, cos theta, that is theta is equal to 0, cos 0 equal to 1, then phi E is positive. If theta is 90, cos 90 is 0, phi E is 0. If theta is 180, cos 180 is minus 1, so phi E is negative. So there are three possibilities: flux positive, negative or 0. Okay. To find the flux, between two charges, if a number of lines of force are crowded, that means now I am considering like this. So where the strength, electric field strength is more at A, the electric field strength at A is more than B. Okay. And if we write like this, this is A and this is B, then all the lines of force starts from A, means electric field intensity at A is more than B. If you draw like this, number 1, 2, 3 and 4, which are the following line will represent the electric lines of force correctly. Means all the electric lines of force for a point sphere should be radially inward or outward. So these line of force should be radially, like Pascal's law, radially in and radially out. Okay, that's why this 4 represents the correct line of force. So this is about the electric flux. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel Sri Sai Physics for Mains and NEET. Thank you very much.